pretty dark in the video. Because I panned away, because I tilted, and when I tilt, we can say the sun is rising as it pans away. And when I pan it away the other way, look the way, I still get that half moon face. Where's the other side of my face? The dark side of the moon, but I'm all here, but you just can't see the other side. I'm going to reapply my exposure, my focus, my exposure. A little bit of light, bring some light into it. If I just want to focus on this area, you'll see the whole area dark behind me. I want to talk about one piece that I spoke about very late in a video. Let me see if I can get the camera larger so I can see it. And it's this over here. Can I get rid of some of this light? What is this? This is the betting format for the roulette table. The 111 over here is where you can bet only 3 spaces and get 11 chips back. So you needed 1 to start. You got 11 back, you now have a total of 12. If you choose any of the center spots over here, the center spot here, okay, and betting everything around it will get you 8 to 1, 8 to 1, 8 to 1, 8 to 1. That gives you 32. Everything else is in between. The center one gives you 35. Now, if you put 1 in the center, you have 35 plus 1, 36. If you put 4 on the outside, it means you started with 4. If it ends up in the center, you get to keep your 4. Plus you get 8, 8, 8, and 8 for each one. You get 32 plus your 4, 36. If you put 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here, that's 17. Half. 17 is half. You started with 4, you now get 68. Plus your 4, you get 72. So your greatest is the in-between life of 72. You have 8 when you're using the corners, which is 32 and 4, 36, or if you put just 1 in the center. So here is what if you only have 1, 4, and 4. If this number comes up on the far right in the area of 369, if you hit the center, you get 36. If you bet the corners at 8 to 1, you get a total of 1 and 2 back and 16. That is your phi, your dividing wall. If you bet 1 over here at the same time, you will get 11 back. I forgot about this equation over here in the center, where you'll get the 4 corners. Okay, 4 by 8, 32, and 11, 43, your DC world. 43 plus your 5 is 48, the sun. This one over here, where you get these two over here, will be 17 and 17. 17 and 11 is 28. 8 and 11 is 19, the spirit. 8 and 11, 19, the spirit. All three will be 16, 27, win a big red sun. If it falls in the center here, and you only have 1 here, you get 17 plus 11, 28. Plus 1, 29, plus 1, 30. Creation. 4 months of 30 days. If you bet it here, you get the 17 to 1. 17 to 1 is 34, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. That is the sun pass, the foxhole, 666 inside 369. Does it happen over here? The same as over here. The first and the last are the same. The center is different. If I bet the first 20, the second 20, and all these explanations are ahs and laws of, is it physics? Is it physics? The law of, is it the law of physics, or is it the law of after a trillion rolls? After a trillion rolls, it doesn't mean it'll happen, but after a trillion rolls, based on 10 years of monitoring, what period of time on average did it take to use up, or for a ball to fall in all 36 numbers? 36 times, or 37 times. 37 times, 37 numbers, 37 by 37 equals, it should take them 1,369 times, okay, before one of the balls are obligated to fall into a single number. Why 37 by 37? Well, I'm talking about the 37 set. What's it called? So I'm talking about the probabilities of the extension of all probabilities. It probably won't take more than 100 rolls. 100 rolls, you'll hit all 37 numbers. That's like 1 out of 3. Everybody's going to win. 1 out of 6, everybody's going to win. The doubling up pattern of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 is a minimum of 7. 128, you've passed the 100% mark. I'm just doing a quick calculation based on my fingers. So the maximum double up is 7. Although the minimum payout is 2 to 1. Well, it's also 1 to 1 red and black. So there's a calculation for each one of the payouts and the understanding of the laws. The laws just of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I wanted to draw a picture. For the law of love. Can I, how do I get this? How do I get the, here we go. I got the camera in the wrong spot. Get the camera, let's move the camera over here. And we have 808 bicycle cards, right? But we just want to know. Now we're going to draw a heart from here. And that's my heart. I drew it a little bit differently, right? I did it purposely like this. And there's my 808 bicycle cards. If you want to see it in short form. And then there's the diamond in the center. If you want, we can add the club to the top. And the spade. You can have both of them looking at each other. You can have them both looking away. But no matter what, it's just one. 808. Fruitation in life. Thank you for watching this video.